Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you what I bought from the Olivia Burton store. My purchase came in this really nice bag with a little peach bow on top, and it's got matching handles as well, which you can't really see. It's very nice. Probably going to hang it up somewhere in my room. Just going to untie this. So I bought two items from their new kind of rainbow collection, which you can see inside. So I'll just take those out. So firstly I bought this one. So the box came a little bit dirty, but it's fine, that's just the outer part anyway. So this is the Rainbow Interlink ring in silver, and I got it in medium. Just take that out, and then this is the real box once you take off the sleeve, and that looks perfectly fine. And then you just pop that out. And what I like is that both of these pieces came in this nice kind of grey soft little pouch with a little bow. It's quite easy to do up. So you can take this on the go, so like you know, if you want to keep it safe when you're travelling. Cool. And this is the ring that I got. Try and improve the lighting. Bring it closer as well. So as you can see, it does actually have rainbow gems on it. Very lightly coloured, which is why it's a bit hard to see the colours. Let me turn off the light, let me see if that improves it. Oh, there you go. So you can see that it does actually have rainbow gems. So it's got like peach, pink, purple, like a lilac. Oh no wait, I think it's blue and green. And then I got it so it would fit this finger. And it's meant to look like a kind of stacked ring style, so it looks like two different rings, but it is in fact just one ring. And on the ring it says Olivia Burton on the front. So it's quite nice. And then on the back it is just plain. But it looks very nice. And so this ring is made out of 100% brass. So I guess they plate it with something to look silver coloured. And I know they do this in, I think, plain white gems if you don't like the colours, or they have a style where this band is completely free of any gems. Cool. And inside you do get a little care booklet. I think all the information is inside anyway. Online, I mean. Cool, so it just says we've got you covered. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so they tell you to go to the website to find out what to do with it if anything happens. So that's the first one, and I think this is kind of part of their new rainbow collection. And here, so these are actually earrings, which came in a slightly bigger box, so you can see the difference in the sleeve there. And so I'll just pop these out, but these are also lightly kind of pastel rainbow coloured. Lovely box again. And then these also came in a slightly bigger pouch. So this is the ring, and these are the earrings. Same thing. So I've still got these on the paper. And so these are kind of their traditional bee kind of charm with these nice pastel gems. I'm going to turn off the light again. As you can see, and if I compare that with the ring, So it's the same kind of colours. And it's really nice because when you wear these earrings, so this one would be, let me just think, on your right ear I think, and then it kind of curls with your ear, so it doesn't just look like kind of the centre of your ear is wearing jewellery. It actually kind of looks like the whole of the bottom of your ear has a nice bit of jewellery. So yeah, quite nice. And the earrings, oh, there's a focus. And these earrings, I believe, let me just see again. So it does say they're 100% sterling silver. And I think they do this in the plain gems as well, if you don't like the pastel rainbow colour. Yep, and both of these are made with, Swarovski crystals as well. I'll just show you on the box quickly. Oh, I think you saw them on the sleeve actually, so it does say the crystals are from Swarovski. So yeah, that's my little haul. Let me know in the comments below if you've purchased any jewellery from Olivia Burton and what you think of this new kind of pastel rainbow collection. Thanks guys!